Hi, this is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations, and today is Nate's Art Lab challenge for the month of March. He's tasked us with creating a painting in any style we wanted, but we had to use our fingers, do some finger painting with it. This was a popular one that we did last year, so it's back in popular demand. If you are new here for chance, I want to ask you, please, reach down and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications of future videos. And if you're a returner, thank you for being here and welcome. So without a lot of extra talk and what have you, we're going to get down and work with this. All my colors and everything I'm using, pouring mediums or whatever, is down in my description. So please look to that, and I'm going to get right to it.
Heartbeats, all is silence, darkness in the streets. We cut off the violence and put it to sleep. I can hear you breathing, feel you next to me. Heartbeats, all is silence, can't believe we're kissed. Thinking it's time to shine, we may give it all I want is you. Honey, you're just so wild, I'm telling you now, I'm so in love with you. Just wanna be with you. Hold me if I'm waking, catch me in my sleep. All these thoughts keep spinning, but you're grounding me. Time to heal, time to grow. This time I know I'm not alone. Hold me now, let it out. I know we found our home. Thinking it's time to shine, we may give it all I want is you. Honey, you're just so wild, I'm telling you now, I'm so in love with you. Thinking it's time to shine, we may give it all I want is you. Oh, honey, you're just so wild, I'm telling you now, I'm so in love with you. Wanna be with you. Arms around you, we're alone. My heart is racing, you're so strong. Take your time, lose control. Let's give in to what we know. Thinking it's time to shine, making it all I want is you. Honey, you're just so wild, I'm telling you now, I'm so in love with you. Thinking it's time to shine, we may give it all I want is you.
let's talk about this for just a second. This is a repainted canvas, I think you saw at the beginning. And what I've done is I've done laid down my colors and done a swipe over the top of it. And then once my swipes are done, I had it stretched where I wanted to. I went ahead and did my finger painting to get my initial swirls down. And then I played some games with my palette knives. It's been a while since I've done this style. You know, I love working with my SheleeArt paints, and there's so much that can be done with it. And due to my painting situation right now, it's been difficult for me to do, but for right now, I've got a place where I can actually paint in. So this has been an interesting challenge for me. I love getting back to my roots because this is where I really started. And I just really had a good time doing this. So this is it. This is my contribution to this month's Nate's Art Lab. If you're not aware, Nate has a Patreon group that he gives challenges to. He gives us a safe space to be able to share work and be able to basically grow as artists, do things that we hadn't done before. And this has been the case for me. If you're at all interested in doing that sort of thing, you oughta check out Nate's Patreon group. The link will be down in my description if you'd like to go check it out. Other than that, stick around for the next person, the collaboration, and I want to thank you very much for being here and hope that you got something out of this. So until next time, bye for now.